So, guys, I'm today at Agbonkomnet, CEO of the Dan Group, Industrial and Electrical Group. This is my brother. I just want to come and encourage his business and let him present himself. Mr. Daniel, the name of your company, Mr. CEO.
The company is called Dan Smart. That is actually because of smart homes and home automation. That is where we derive the name Dan Smart. I'm Daniel, and smart homes, automation, we got the name Smart. So we have Dan Smart, which is international. We have a part in Austria and a part in Nigeria.
Wow.
We carry on some other missions in other African countries like Senegal and Ghana. So right now, what you see here is just like it's a small workshop where I carry on my special things like tests. I do tests and measurement, and then I try things before I put them out there in the market.
Okay. So, also, this is a joint venture. He's also operating with the wife, our sister Cynthia.
Guys, to Julia Singh here. We have various type of hair.
But after she's also presenting, she's also a clothes and hair dealer. You will see all the products she have later. So, can you just show me the items you have, what you have there in the shop?
I don't know where to start because actually
this section is for what? This computer section is your bureau.
This is where I do some. That is, it's not really an office. It is
like your data collection.
Yeah, it is a test bench.
Keep your data information there.
I carry on test and measurement.
Okay.
Here. And then sometimes I adjust test reports here. You can see, you see my camera. I go on site. I take photographs, and when I come here, I take the data that I've gotten from site. I get to this computer. I take the pictures and I put them together so I can come out with a report of installation or any project that I actually carry on. As you can see, you see just bags here and
all work tools,
everything here. There are more instruments, more tools, and we have some other things here, like some of you know Luxon. I forgot to tell you, we are partners with Luxon as well. You see here, I get this stuff. I test them here before taking them out on installation. We have stuff like this. This is a test bench. I simulate stuff and I make sure they really work back doors before we go and actually install them. So we have confidence that what we are installing is genuine, and we are confident that it works because we already put it under tests and all circumstances to see that that product is really good before we go out there.
So the product really pass through serious control before you give it out.
This is like that's why this place is for me alone, where I check components, I control them, I put them under serious tests. Like the owner, like the engineer, I make sure I put them on serious tests, and they must pass my standard before I take them to my electricians to do the installation and everything.
So I can see so many appliances, work appliances here.
Yeah, these are no edding, no protection. You get some edding cables here. I have little bit of everything, so I can actually simulate something. I can connect some stuff, and I make sure it's working. These are solar cables, and it's too technical, but this is what we call a micro inverter. This is an inverter that you can just put in the roof, and then you have your AC current out. This is a micro inverter. This is another inverter. They call it the Victron. This is another inverter. So these are all equipments that are here to carry on some special tests. They are just, we test them, we try things, and I do many experiments here. You can see the lab volt. We have the lab volt here. I even have stuff to do soldering. We have serious instruments here, like the PV analyzer. You see, these are all our gadgets. We use them for test and measurement. So
You use them outdoor mostly, eh?
yeah, but this I always come here when it's quiet. I have my good music at the background. I come here and then what I've measured on site or what sometimes my electricians will go and measure on site. They bring the instrument back to me. I will sit here and take the report and take the pictures and put 1 and 2 together and then come out with the report.
So for contact, how can one reach you? Through telephone or email or what? I don't really know.
Yeah,
how can one
we
contact?
actually have a
website.
Okay.
The number is also there. You see it on the screen. That's a contact handy number.
We have many things here. It looks like, because it is just for me, we have the big workshop and company in Links, and we have offices and other places, but this is just a workshop for me to carry on special duties.
Okay. So I see everywhere here is set. You see. You know, as an electrical place, everything you have to do, so many cables, everything. From the setup, you know that you have to do much with electricity.
See all kinds of RCDs there. You can see RCDs there, residual current devices. We have them here. I always have them here in a good quantity. And we deal actually with good quality materials. We use Schrack. We don't use any kind of product. We use Schrack. And if you write the name Schrack, you will really know what is Schrack. And that is, I have these things here. I have a little bit of everything. We have a big warehouse where we have quantity. I have a little bit of everything.
Okay, you just mean that yes, like a sampling place.
Yeah.
You just sample that, and then there's a big warehouse for everything.
That's what I've been trying to explain.
Okay, this is just sampling.
Like you see here, I will get something like this. It's a prototype from Schrack. I will bring it here. I will put everything together and then check the quality of if our company can work with this. And after testing it, and then I can buy quantity and then give it out to my team to do installation with it. So this is actually where we
just do sampling and then
because that is my responsibility. I have to test those things before I send it out there for any kind of job.
So it's really a pleasure to be here today. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to come and see what you are doing. I believe the information is gone, and you guys call Mr. Dan and also subscribe to the wife channel. Follow her. You see her TikTok handle, and Mr. Dan's website and telephone number is there. Contact him for any problem, electrical issue you have. He does all solar, so many things, smart houses, everything concerning villas.
Especially villas.
You want to install the highest solar, call him. You want to create a smart apartment, he does so many things. From him, I noticed that from my handy, I can open my door. From my handy, I can put on lights in my house. He does so many things.
About that, I can even show you something here. We don't need to go that far, yeah? No matter how you see this place, it's fully automated.
Wow, you want to do some magic?
Yeah, it is funny. Sometimes I do many things that I don't even know. As you can see, even our music.
Wow.
You can actually
from the handset
you can actually do this.
Yeah.
And even the light you see here, everything is fully automated. Don't minimize the. As I told you, it's a lab. We test things. So that is why it is the way it is. We have everything here. You see, I just did that. So that is how it is. If you want something like this, you are at the home of automation. That is
so, guys, you have seen he can generate the whole of your house, apartment in one handy. From one handy system, you control everything in your house. Wow, that is great. Thank you. I believe I'll be one of your first customers because I really need it.
Of course.
Thank you. At affordable price, brother.
Yeah, you have a discount.
Okay, thank you, brother. Of Dance Smart and Dance Solar. So today, I just want my fans, when I see the wonderful work our brother they do here. This is his studio. This is his contact workplace. So I'll be taking you along to show you all the wonderful things. It is a joint venture This section, now the husband section, then before section is the wife section. So it's a multi-venture company. The wife section is also there, and his section is here.